Good morning, class. Today we are working on 11-3, and that was the practice, so P11-3. We're going to start out with numbers 1 through 8, write 5 multiples of each number. And I'm going to go back and forth between multiplying and skip counting so that you can get a feel for both of those. So for number 1, I'm going to skip count 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. You only needed to write 5 of each. Alright, for 3, I'm going to skip count again. For number 2, I'm going to skip count again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Alright, for number 7, I'm going to multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. Alright, and then we're going to move on to number 4. Number 4, I'm going to multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And that's all you need for that. Oops. Alright, number 5. I'm going to go back to skip counting. Actually, 9's a little hard to skip count by, so we're going to multiply. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3, 28. 9 times 4, 27. It was 27, not 28. 36. 9 times 5 is 45. Alright, for number 6, we're going to skip count by 2s. 2, 4. This is easy. This is just counting your evens. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Number 6, we're going to skip count. 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Alright, numbers 9 through 16. Tell whether the first number is a multiple of the second. So we can skip count or we can divide. I'm going to do the first 4 we're going to divide. 21, that's a 1, divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3, no remainder, so yes, it is. 28 divided by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 10 is 30. So it would be 9. 9 times 3 is 27 with a remainder of 1. So no. Alright, 17 and 3. So 17 divided by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 6 is 18, so that's too many. Remainder 2. So since it has a remainder, it is not. No. Alright. This one I'm going to skip count. 9. 18. 27. 36. 45. 54. Uh-oh, we hit it. Which means that, yes, it is. Alright, 15, we're going to skip count. 5, 10, 15. And we hit it, so yes. 26 is 26 a multiple of 4? We're going to skip count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And it's somewhere in the middle of that, so no. We did not hit 16. Alright, skip counting to 32. 8, 16, 24, 32. And we hit it. So that means that yes, it is. Oops, and I must have skipped number 12 over here. We're going to divide 20 divided by 4. 4 goes in 25 times. Because 5 times 4 is 20, right? No remainder. So that means yes, it is a multiple. Alright, moving on. Number 17. Circle the number in the box that is a multiple that is, make sure to circle that is, a multiple of 8. We're not looking for one that's not. Alright, 10. Let's see. Actually, you know what would be easier is if we listed out as many multiples of 8. Let's go up to 10. Right, so 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 9. Oops. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. Alright, let's see. Do we have enough now? Alright, so is 8 there? Nope. I'm sorry, is 10 there? Nope, we don't have 10 listed. 18? Don't have 18 listed. 20? Don't have 20 listed. 24? Yes, we do have 24 listed. And let's just make sure. Go back. Is 31 listed? Nope. And is 36 listed? No, it's not. So 24 is our answer. Alright, number 18. List 5 multiples for 3 and 5 multiples for 4. So 5 multiples for 3. Skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Alright, and 5 multiples for 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Alright, so do we have a 3 and 4? That does not make any sense. Do we have a 3 in the multiples of 4? No, we don't. Do we have a 6? No, we don't. We have a 16, not a 6. Do we have a 9? Nope. Do we have a 12? Yes, we do. So go ahead and circle those. And then do we have a 15? Nope. So 12 are the only only common multiples. Alright, because remember, whatever it has in common means they have it the same. Number 19. What number has factors of 2 and 3 and multiples of 12 and 18? Alright, so we're looking for something that has 2 as a factor and 3 as a factor. What are factors again? Factors are what makes up a number. Right? And multiples of 18 and 12. So we're looking for the factors of 2 and 3. So that's easy. 2 times 3 is 6. And multiples, so let's make sure this has a multiple of 12 and 18. Does 6 fit into 12? And this is 2. So yes. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. No remainders on either one, which means that 18 and 12 are multiples of 6. and 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So our answer is 6. All right, number 20. What are the 5 multiples of 9? So if you look at these closely, they're all pretty much going up. So 5 multiples of 9. Is 1 a multiple of 9? Can't be, because 1 and 3 are smaller. So you can get rid of that. You can get rid of that one because it has a 1. Alright, so now we're down to A and B because they both start with 9. Alright, so that's good. Alright, is 19 a multiple of 9? What's the next number when you skip count by 9s? 9, 18 is going to be your next one. So that's still right, and this is wrong. Alright, let's just make sure that these are right now. Make sure you have the right one. 18, 27, 36, and 45. So they are the exact same as these. If you skip count by 9, B is your answer. Alright. Carmen listed the multiples of 6 as 1, 2, 3, and 6. Is she correct? Explain why or why not. Remember, if it's smaller than the number you're looking at, then it cannot be a multiple. So you could explain it that way. The numbers 1, 2, and 3 are smaller than 6, therefore they cannot be a multiple. There is also a better way to explain this, because 1, 2, and 3 are something to do with 6. They are factors. Because that's what we talked about yesterday. 1, 2, and 3 are factors, not multiples. Because one times 6 equals 6. 2, and 2 times 3 equals 6. That would be a wonderful answer, although you can still say they're not multiples because they're smaller than the number. Thank you for watching. Hope we have a great day.